Everybody, my name is Rocky and I am super excited to talk about this week's topic. Listen, the holiday shopping season is upon us and I would be remiss if I didn't tell you about what's going on and my new love. Let's get right into it. So a few weeks ago, I've been talking about how I wanted to preserve my youth and, make sure I'm not creating more wrinkles and preserving my eyesight, all these different things. And so I went down the path of trying to find glasses and sunglasses and things that would help me among some other products. And I landed on this brand Firmoo. Firmoo has very affordable glasses and they're super stylish. And then because we're cool, I always give you the hookup. I have a code I'm going to put on the screen here that gives you 50% off of everything. But before you rush over, or go ahead and rush over. But before you rush over, I wanted to show you what made me fall in love to begin with. So this pair of glasses is so sleek and minimal and they look great. I've gotten so many compliments since I've purchased these. I wear them for work. I wear them out and about sometimes. And I get compliments all the time about how flattering they are and they want to know right away where I got them. So here's the pair that made me fall in love. You can kind of see the reflection here. There's blue light and UV protection on the lenses. You can kind of see that color reflecting there. But it's the frames. They're super light and super minimal and they just look great on me. And I've gotten so many compliments again and I was able to get it, at a discount and I'm sharing that with you. They are having a really big sale for the holidays. More selections, better discounts, better pricing for the holiday season. So go ahead and check that out. But before you do, or go ahead, I don't care. I wanted to show you the fact that I was obsessed and I purchased another package of these items. But this time I wanted to focus more on two things: style and protecting my eyes more when I go outside, out and about, and protecting from the sun. So I'm actually opening these up for the first time with you. I know what they look like because I ordered them, right? But let's see how they look on. I did do two pairs and I can't remember what I got. They all come with this super adorable hard case, so it depends on how you're carrying and transporting your package. And then it comes with a bag here that has the branding on there. It serves as a pouch for your glasses as well as a cleaning cloth. It's made with the cleaning cloth material. So I think that is super convenient because I don't have to carry more than one thing and most likely lose one of them, which is what I usually do. All right, so here is the first pair. This one is a very pale pink. It reminds me a lot of these frames, very minimal, very light, but I got the pale pink because I felt like it would match my skin tone a little bit better, bring out the hues and colors of my skin tone. And then the arms here are like a dark mauvey, brownish, reddish kind of a color, so I thought it would match my skin color as well, especially if I have my hair down and stuff like that, which I rarely do, but let's see. What do you all think of this? Let me move a little closer so you can see me. Oh, I absolutely love it. This fits my face perfectly. And for some reason, like on screen when I'm looking here in the viewfinder, these look super dark. But as I'm looking out, it looks literally no different than these, almost no different than these clear frames. Wow. I can see, oh my gosh, I can really see. So I really love these. I'm not gonna spend too much time, I'm not gonna hold you, but I wanna show you the other pair that I got. I'm super oh my gosh, I'm geeked, you all, about this. Let's go with the second one. Came the same way with the same things inside, dust bag, which I really like, again, for convenience. And I wanted to try something that I don't have in my wardrobe in terms of sunglasses at all or frames. And then you can get these prescription too. I just happen not to need prescription. I got LASIK surgery some years ago. But you can get these same glasses, same frames, same styles, same tinting, but with prescription. So go ahead and check that out if that's what you need. Ooh, you all. So this one has, let me hold that up closer. The frame is gradient, so it's dark and black and goes from black, gray, and clear down here at the bottom. The arms here are black. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And then I didn't have to spend hundreds of dollars on it. Normally, we've talked about this before, every year for my birthday, I will treat myself with a pair of sunglasses, some designer luxury, something that costs way too much money, hundreds of dollars. And it's not even necessary. This has exactly what I need to protect my eyes and at a fraction of the cost. Again, listen, use my code 50% off of this. Even the prices without the code, I'll be honest with you, super affordable. But why not save more if you can? Why pay why pay full price if you don't have to? But I am absolutely enamored and in love. Now check them out again before. So actually the sale goes, all of the things that they have going on for Black Friday goes and extends past Black Friday. I think a little after December 1st or something like that, or December 1st. Go ahead and check them out. I wouldn't tell you to do so listen, I wouldn't even make this video if I didn't think that this was good. I don't like trash people on purpose, but I am absolutely in love with this. You all go check them out. Again, Firmoo is like my new go-to place for glasses and sunglasses. I want to introduce that to you. For me, it's like, why gatekeep? If I'm loving something, I want to share that with you. So basically check that out and use the 50% off coupon. It's not very often that a brand will offer that big of a discount, and I don't know how long that'll be available. So go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Check down below for links and more information. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching. Share it with your friends. Bye.
She's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocky's just a fashion girl from Chicago.